Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to evaluate the function f of x is equal to x squared minus 2 to the x over 1000 for x is equal to 1, 0.8, and so on. And then we're asked to guess the value of the limit as x approaches 0 of the function. And then we're asked to evaluate the function for these values and then guess again what the limit is. So first, for part A, we have 1, 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, 0.1, and 0.05. When you plug these into your calculator for f of x, we get 0.998, 0.638258, 0.358484, 0.158, 680, 0.038851, 0.008928, and 0.001647. And so, as you can see, these values are getting closer and closer to 0, so therefore we can guess that the limit as x approaches 0 of this function f of x is equal to 0. But then it asks us to test some more points, and maybe our answer will change. So we have 0.04, 0.02, 0.01, 0.005, 0.003, and 0.001. If we plug these in, we get 0.005719, negative 0.000614, negative 0.000906, negative 0.000978, negative 0.009931, and negative 0.000999. And so we can see that it doesn't approach 0, it goes past 0 and instead approaches a separate point where the limit as x approaches 0 of f of x is equal to negative 0.00, and then we can see here it's approaching 0.000999, 0.000999. So we can round this up to 1 and say that the function approaches negative 0.001. So this is our original guess, and this is our updated guess based off of the new information.